Dear Cancer, welcome to your horoscope for Sunday, June 14th, 2026. The moon, your ruling planet, is moving through a deeply peaceful and inward-facing energy today. And you are going to feel a beautiful pull towards solitude, reflection, and particular comfort of your own inner world. Sunday is Cancer's sacred day, not just for rest, but for genuine inner replenishment. The world asked a great deal of your heart this week. Today, the universe is asking you to give that heart some time just for itself. In your career, today step fully away from professional thought. Your emotional intelligence, your empathy, your creativity, all the gifts that make you extraordinary at work. They regenerate in exactly this kind of quiet Sunday space. The Cancer who arrives Monday morning after a genuine Sunday of inner rest is capable of things that the exhausted version of themselves simply cannot access. Rest today is a professional investment. Financially, today a Sunday afternoon of honest financial reflection will give you something the busy week never can. Perspective. The financial situation that felt urgent and stressful on Thursday looks more manageable from here. More importantly, today you may have a quiet, intuitive insight about your money, a direction, a decision, a release of financial anxiety that has been holding you back. Trust what surfaces in the calm. In love, Cancer, today your whole being is oriented toward home and the people who make home feel like home. Gather whoever belongs in your inner circle today. Cook for them. Be with them. Let the Sunday flow with particular warmth that Cancer creates better than any other sign. These are the moments that matter most. Not the achievements or the milestones, but the ordinary Sunday afternoons filled with love, good food, and the irreplaceable comfort of belonging. If you are single, today spend time loving and nourishing yourself with the same quality of care you would give a beloved partner. That self-love is not a consolation. It is a foundation. Health today for Cancer is about complete emotional release and physical restoration. Let yourself feel whatever is present today without judgment or management. If you are tired, rest fully. If you are sad, let yourself cry. If you are content, soak in it completely. Your body today needs warmth above all else. Warm food, warm baths, warm company, warm light. Create a Sunday environment that is so gentle and nourishing that your whole nervous system breathes out completely. Spiritual message for Cancer on June 14th. You have been holding the world together this week. Today, let someone else hold it. Let the universe hold it. Your only job right now is to rest deeply, receive fully, and remember that you are not responsible for everyone's happiness. You are responsible for your own. And today, your happiness looks like quiet, comfort, connection, and the simple, profound grace of being completely at home in your own life. Subscribe to Astro Healing for daily readings. Have a beautifully peaceful and deeply nourishing Sunday, Cancer.